Next, we will start with the past perfect tense. Here, always remember, in each kind of sentence, be it affirmative, negative or interrogative, the third form of the verb will be used, past participle. So again, we will start with the affirmative sentence. The sentence will start with the subject. The helping verb that will be used in the past perfect tense will be had. Now this is a good thing. Here you need not to confuse whether we have what is to be used with the singular, what is to be used with the plural. Whether it is singular or plural, in all the subjects, the helping verb that is to be used is had only. Subject had plus third form of verb plus object. So the structure of the sentence would be Rahul had the third form of play. Played. We just have to put ed with the play and that will give you the past and past participle form of the verb play. Played cricket. But as we have discussed earlier, it is not possible in case of all the verbs that you get the second form and the third form by just adding ed. The verbs where we get the second form and the third form of the verb by just adding ed to the base verb, those are known as the regular verbs. And the other one in which we change the vowel or the consonant, then those verbs are known as the irregular verbs. For example, let's take the same example, play, second form, played, third form, played. Whereas, if we talk about eat, it is the base form of the verb. Second form or the past form of the verb is ate, ate. And the past participle or the third form of the verb is eaten. So here we have used or we have changed the vowels and consonants. Here it is eat. Here we have changed the places of all the three letters. And here we added en with the eat. And that is giving you the third form of the verb. So this one is the regular verb. This one is the irregular verb. Okay. So here in the perfect tense, we will always use the third form of verb only. This is the structure of affirmative sentences in the past perfect tense. Now, we will talk about the negative sentence of the past perfect tense. So, for the negative sentence, we just have to put the not word here in this sentence and that will give you the negative sentence of the past perfect tense. See, it is very easy here, whatever your subject would be. For example, if here I would have used boys as we have used in the previous tense. Boys had played cricket. So for using the helping verb, it is had. You need not to keep in mind the subject. If it is past perfect, you have to use had everywhere. Okay. So for the negative sentence, we will start with the subject plus had plus not plus third form of verb plus object. Let's take the second example. Boys had not played cricket. Alright. What is the difference? The difference is because of this not word that makes the sentence negative. Now, the third category, that is interrogative sentences. As earlier, the interrogative sentences will be of two kind. The first one, which will start with the question word, and the second one, which will start with the helping verb. And since here we are talking about the past perfect tense, so in all the sentences, the helping verb will be had only. So the interrogative sentence which will start with the helping verb will always start with had in case of past perfect tense. So for the interrogative sentence, first we will start with the sentence that will start with the question word. Question word had plus subject plus third form of verb, or we also call it past participle, plus object. And this will give you the structure of the sentence. Let's take the same example. Why had boys played cricket? Or if you see that why everywhere I am using why, let's take another example. Where had boys played cricket? And don't forget to put the question mark at the end of the interrogative sentence. So we can use any of the question words: why, where, what, why, whom, which, any of the question word. Now the second category of interrogative sentence, which will start with the helping verb. So for that, first we will have had plus subject plus third form of verb plus object. Okay. So here we will write the sentence that will start with had. The subject is, say, Rahul. Third form of verb is played. And the object is cricket. So, had Rahul played cricket is the interrogative sentence which is starting with the helping verb. So, this is all about the past perfect tense, the affirmative sentence, the negative sentence, and the interrogative sentence.